The iPhone 17 is shaping up to be one of Apple's most talked about releases in years, and thanks to a new set of dummy models, we've got yet another look at the upcoming lineup. With leaks and rumors circulating, we already have a good idea of what's coming, but these new dummies give us an even clearer picture of Apple's most divisive design change in a long time. This time, the dummy models showcase the entire iPhone 17 lineup, including the standard iPhone 17, the all-new iPhone 17 Air, the iPhone 17 Pro, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Notably, the iPhone 17 Plus is missing from this year's lineup, and all signs suggest that the Air model is taking its place. The iPhone 17 Air is expected to be a super slim device, measuring just 5.5 millimeters in thickness, making it one of Apple's thinnest iPhones yet. From the dummy images, it's clear that the base iPhone 17 isn't changing too much from the iPhone 16. However, the Air model is bringing a major shift in design. It features a single rear camera housed in a horizontal edge-to-edge design that stretches across the back. If this looks familiar, it's because it gives off serious Google Pixel vibes. Some fans are excited about this change, while others are questioning Apple's decision to take inspiration from its competitors. The biggest changes, however, are reserved for the Pro models. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max appear to be adopting a similar edge-to-edge camera housing, but unlike the Air, they still feature triple camera setups. The camera housings on these models also seem to come in different shapes and sizes, possibly hinting at varying sensor upgrades. This new design direction has sparked mixed reactions. Some believe it's a welcome change that brings a fresh new look to Apple's flagship phones, while others feel it's an unnecessary departure from Apple's signature style. Personally, I'm still on the fence about it, but we'll have to wait and see how it looks in real life. Of course, these dummy models are based on leaks and prototypes, meaning nothing is set in stone. Until Apple officially unveils the iPhone 17 series, there's always the possibility that the final design could be completely different. But based on what we've seen so far, it looks like Apple is ready to shake things up this year. Now let's talk about what's happening under the hood. The iPhone 17's front camera is expected to get its first real upgrade in years. Instead of the 12-megapixel sensor that's been around for several generations, Apple is rumored to be introducing a 24-megapixel selfie camera. This could lead to sharper selfies and better low-light performance. Speaking of cameras, the Pro models are also expected to see major upgrades, particularly in the telephoto department. While the iPhone 16 Pro brought improvements to the ultra-wide camera, this time the focus seems to be on zoom capabilities. Reports suggest that the current 12-megapixel telephoto camera will be replaced with a powerful 48-megapixel periscope camera. If this rumor turns out to be true, we could finally see 8K video recording on the Pro models, a feature that has been missing from iPhones for years. Performance-wise, the Pro models are set to get a significant boost. Apple is expected to introduce the A19 Pro chip, along with 12 gigabytes of RAM, making these phones faster and more capable than ever. This hardware upgrade will likely support more advanced Apple Intelligence features. Debate remains the design changes. Some users love the new direction Apple is taking, while others aren't sure if it's the right move. Whether you're excited or skeptical, one thing is for sure: Apple is making bold choices with the iPhone 17. So what do you think about the iPhone 17 leaks so far? Do you like the new design, or do you prefer Apple's traditional approach? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech news. 25 series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 gigabytes across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 gigabytes as standard, with 512 gigabytes available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256 gigabytes models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512 gigabytes, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512 gigabytes, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512 gigabytes, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25, 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus, 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra, 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes. 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans, the moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.